Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add thinly sliced green cabbage. Add carrots. Add mayonnaise. Mix all the contents softly. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper powder. Add sugar. Mix all the contents softly. Tasty, creamy, and smooth coleslaw is ready. It can be enjoyed as is, or taken aside with barbecue, baked, fried food or sandwiches. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.